Get image size without loading image into memory. I understand that you can get the image size using PIL in the following fashion. However, I would like to get the image width and height without having to load the image in memory. Is that possible? I am only doing statistics on image sizes and don't care for the image contents. I just want to make my processing faster.
As the comments allude, PIL does not load the image into memory when calling .open. Looking at the docs of PIL 1.1.7, the docstring for .open says, there are a few file operations in the source like but these hardly constitute reading the whole file. In fact, .open simply returns a file object and the file name on success. In addition, the docs say, open file, mode equals R, opens and identifies the given image file. This is a lazy operation. This function identifies the file, but the actual image data is not read from the file until you try to process the data, or call the load method. Digging deeper, we see that .open calls _open, which is an image format specific overload. Each of the implementations to _open can be found in a new file, e.g. JPEG files are in jpegImagePlugin.py. Let's look at that one in depth. Here things seem to get a bit tricky. In it there is an infinite loop that gets broken out of when the JPEG marker is found. Which looks like it could read the whole file if it was malformed. If it reads the info marker OK, however, it should break out early. The function handler ultimately sets self.size, which are the dimensions of the image.
If you don't care about the image contents, PIL is probably an overkill. I suggest parsing the output of the Python magic module. This is a wrapper around line magic which read as few bytes as possible in order to identify a file type signature. Relevant version of script. This URL. Update. Unfortunately, when applied to JPEGs, the above gives JPEG image data, EXIF standard 2.21. No image size. Alex Flint. Seems like JPEGs are magic resistant. Smile. I can see why, in order to get the image dimensions for JPEG files, you may have to read more bytes than Light Magic likes to read. Rolled up my sleeves and came with this very untested snippet. Get it from GitHub. That requires no third-party modules. Update 2019. Check out a Rust implementation, this URL.
There is a package on Pippi called Image Size that currently works for me, although it doesn't look like it is very active. Install. Usage. Homepage, this URL. Pippi, this URL.
The op was interested in a faster solution. I was curious about the fastest solution and I am trying to answer that with a real-world benchmark. I am comparing cv2.imred, this URL, pill.open, this URL, obstroid/image_size, this URL, packaged version of this URL, shibukawa/image_size_pi, this URL, Cobalt core/image_size, this URL. I am running the following code on 202,897 mostly JPG files. Results. cv2.imred, 8 minutes 23 seconds, pill.open, 2 minutes 0 seconds, obstroid/image_size, 29s, shibukawa/image_size_pi, 29s, cobalt core/image_size, 29s. So the obstroid, shibukawa and cobalt core perform at the same speed. Another interesting point for me would now be to better understand which of the libraries has the best format support. Edit. So I went ahead and tested if the fast libraries provide different results. And they don't.